Hi students, staff, faculty, whoever's going to be watching this video. I am Logan Phillips and I'm your handy dandy Simnet guide. Alright, this video is going to walk you through how to set up a trial membership into Simnet so you can get in and start working here at the beginning of the semester, no matter if your financial aid has come in or if you've purchased the wrong book or we've had a snag of any kind. You can still get into Simnet, you can still start your classes, you can still start working. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in or go to the Simnet website. Now, your professor probably has a link directly on the Blackboard site to it. If not, you can actually go straight to the website at tulsacc.simnetonline.com. That will take you to this particular web page. Now, if you have a code and it is the correct code, you can log in and create your username by clicking on the "No, but I have a code or need courtesy access." If you don't have a code and you would like to purchase one, you can purchase it directly from Simnet with "No, I need to buy a license." Now, right now this video is going to be a training video about how to log in with a temporary access. So you don't have a code, you haven't purchased it yet, but you need access. So to accomplish this task, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the "No, but I have a code or need courtesy access." That courtesy access is that trial 2-week membership. So let's go ahead and go through this process. I'm going to use a fake student. So I'm going to click on "No, but I have a code or need courtesy access." Now, it's going to ask you a series of questions. Do you attend Tulsa Community College? Hopefully, if you're enrolling for this, yes, you do. Do you need a Simnet or do you already have a Simnet or online username? Now, for most of you, this answer is going to be no. If you have a username or Simnet username, then you're not going to need trial access because Simnet is a lifetime card and you can get any of our courses that teach with it. So we're going to click on yes and no and click next. Now, it's important to read through your terms of service. You should read through this. If you don't, just make sure you check the box on the bottom and click on next. Now, you're going to be enrolling in certain courses. Make sure you're checking what course you're actually enrolling in. I am Logan Phillips, so my courses begin with Phillips. You can see Phillips Concepts 1203. Double check your section numbers and your CERN numbers on these courses so that you're enrolling in the correct place. If you're enrolling in Larry's trainings courses, my courses, Jim Maxon courses, it doesn't matter, but make sure you're going into the correct place. Now, I'm going to create a temporary access for my 16-week concept class. So I'm in 1203, which is concepts. It says concepts, section 241, and CERN number 1852. And I'm going to hit next. Now, it's going to ask you, do you have a registration code? If you have it, it's going to look something like this. All you got to do is peel off the back, put in your registration number, and you'll have access to the course. But if you don't, we can actually activate a 14-day trial period by clicking on the box in the bottom and doing a courtesy access that says maybe you're waiting for financial aid or we've had a snag at the beginning of the campus or beginning of the semester where you don't have access to the correct thing just yet. So click on that 14-day courtesy access line and hit next. Now, you're going to put in your information just like you would registering for any other website. I'm going to create a new student here. This is Jim Bob, Barry Bob. And my email is jimbob@tulsacc.edu. Now, I strongly suggest you use your tulsacc.edu email address because it's a similar email address that you're already going to be checking for Blackboard, that you're already using elsewhere to log in. It will help you log in and not have to remember a tremendous amount of passwords. After that, you're going to put in your team number. Now, I'm going to put in a fake team number of just some numbers here. This is not a real team number. Don't try to use it to log into different stuff. And I'm going to create my username and password. Now, your username can be anything you create, but make sure it's something you can remember. For me, I'm just going to use jimbob@tulsacc.edu because I know my email address. I know my email address very well, so it'll be easy password. And my password, I'm going to create just anything you need that you can remember. If you forget your password, your instructor can reset it. They cannot see your password. So if you forget your password, email your instructor and say, "Hey, I can't get into Simnet. Please give me a new password." They'll reset your password, give you a temporary one, and then you'll be able to log in and go about your work. All right. Once those all are set up, my username, jimbob@tulsacc.edu, I'm going to hit next. I'm not going to save this, and we're going to hit finish. Now with that trial access, jimbob at tulsacc.edu. All I have to do is click sign in, and we're into our course. So you can see I have 14 days now from the day I've signed up for this to be able to access my class, access all the material, and start work. So if your financial aid hasn't come in, or your book hasn't come in, or you ordered the wrong thing, or the bookstore's given you the wrong thing, if there's any snags or problems at all, on the first day of class, you can still get in with the trial access. And at some point, you need to modify that trial access to a full access by purchasing that code. Again, we are a Simnet course, not a Pearson course. If someone gives you a My IT Lab stuff, throw it away, give it back to them, tell them, no, we are a Simnet course. So once you've done your Simnet course, you've logged in with your trial, you bought your Simnet code, and you're ready to turn it into a full access code. These are the steps to turn a trial access into a full access. In the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see your name. So here, old Jim Bob Rebob is up in the top right corner. I'm going to click on my name, and I'm going to see all the information that I provided. My student ID, username, email. Again, this is a fake student. Don't try to use it anywhere. I'll see my enrolled courses, everything that I've been enrolled in. And then on the right-hand side of that, I can actually see add a product or add a registration code. If you've purchased the registration code and you're ready to register, all you have to do is say, yes, I have a registration code. Then once you've done that, enter your registration code, and your username will turn from a trial membership into a full membership. Hi guys, I am Logan Phillips. If you have any problems, if you have any concerns, I am here to help. Even if you are not one of my students, you can always send me an email at logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu, or you can give me a call at 918-595-7451. Or you can always come to my office at 2110 at the Northeast Campus in the Academic Building. This is how to create a trial membership to start your courses, and how to modify that trial membership into a full membership once you're bought your Simnet code. All right, guys, I hope you have a very fruitful day. Bye.